motorcycle spark plug hole. Same thing applies with. Hey, you playing a video game? At the Army of Two Devils Cartel on it. Game goes really hard. I'm on a PS3 right now, old school. So anyways, back to it. Spark plug hole repairer. Power bill. It was $21 on Amazon. We're gonna test this out, see if that works out well. And also the Amazon Deep Reach 18mm spark plug socket, if you want to call that a socket. So we're gonna get out there, we're gonna repair that, make sure that for y'all's mobile automotive repair needs in all of the DFW area, you message us 214-791-7037. Check us out on Facebook and Google. Check out to here with the Ninja. I'm about to go ahead and try this new Deep Reach spark plug socket for the Ninja bike. We're sitting right in here. Set this in there. Nice snug fit. So we got, let me see the other side. Fits any better. Not too small. So we'll go ahead and use this side. That thing was a little bit too cute for my taste, so got this 18mm thin walled 12 point. This is gonna work a lot better. Sits right in. Just got this out. Now the bike is running really bad because this is thread locker. Try to put some thread locker on there, and the spark plug is just not sitting low enough to meet the piston to give a good spark. So you already know we're gonna try out this Powerbilt reamer. This thing tells us how to use it. You're gonna want to put some loosen it up, put some grease on it. I'm kind of freestyling right now on my grease bag. Big lob. And we big grease on the threads. We don't want no metal shavings falling inside the motor. See if we can't fix this thing, man. Oh, super lock. Alright, let's see what we got. So what we looking like. Right there. Still is. We're gonna put it right inside. Spark plug hole. Thing better be the right size, man. Nice. Nice. Alright, so it's all the way. Seems like it's all the way in there. I got this thing in nice and stiff, as you can see. So you gotta pull up on this and tighten at the same time for them threads to push out into the old threads that are in the spark plug hole. And then you get this part and actually turn left to try to back it out, then re-tighten it, and you just gotta play with it. See how we're looking. It's she's sounding tip top. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.